Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you enjoy these quick product dives, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. Today we are checking out the MUKIKIM LX128G self-flying eBird. This is a unique electronic flying bird toy that operates completely without a remote controller. It mimics a real bird by flapping its wings as it flies forward. You can get it hovering left or right by making slight adjustments to the yaw control, making it react almost like a boomerang returning toward you. This portable kit includes the green parrot drone and a USB charging cord. You get about 20 minutes of flight time from a 20-minute charge. To get it airborne, hold the bird, lean its head up about 20 degrees, turn the power on, and gently lift it forward. You can press the on/off button 1 to 3 times for flying periods ranging from 15 to 25 seconds depending on how many times you press it. Speed and direction are adjustable too. Adjusting the rudder controls hovering direction, and the horizontal tail lets you manage speed. Adjust the tail higher for slower flight. It's recommended for big kids, ages 96 to 1140 months. So essentially ages 8 and up. Beyond this green parrot, it also comes in blue pigeon, orange phoenix, and pink butterfly. It's a fun, bionic flying experience that's easy to control once you dial in those adjustments. Grab one for some unique indoor or outdoor fun.